Here we go, guys. We're doing a part of our Christmas dinner is going to be this standing rib roast. That's what that is. That's a prime rib that's been cut. The bones are still on it, so it's like a bone-in prime rib or a Delmonico. We're going to season it up heavily with Mad seasoning. I'm going to set it on a couple onions, stick it in this pan, reverse sear it. What that means is I'm going to cook it really hot at 500 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to turn the oven down to 325 and let it cook for about an hour and a half. Well, let's go. So I just take these onions and leave them in quarters, and I'm going to set the rack right on top of it. I'll take that sticker off. And they just go right into my cast iron pan. Now I've got some rosemary in there. I'm going to add some thyme. Both of those came from the garden, and I'm going to set the roast right on top of that. Then I go, this rib roast is going to sit right on top of them, like that. Right in that cast iron. I'm going to season it up with some Mad seasoning. I've got one hand that's messy and one hand that's clean. I'm going to use the hand that's clean to get the Mad seasoning out. And I'm going to coat this really good with this all-purpose salt mixture, Mad seasoning. I'm going to get it on all sides, and I'm going to rub it in with this hand real good, like that. So simple. I just season it up real good with Mad seasoning. You just got to make sure you season it on all sides. You know, people get intimidated by cooking these, but you shouldn't. It's just a big steak. So I'm seasoning it on all sides with this Mad seasoning, rubbing it in real good. Piece of meat, of any pieces of meat. And these guys still have the bones on it. We'll let them cook. So I'm just going to turn him over. So he's been seasoned on all sides. And he's going to sit up a little bit on these herbs and these onions. And now, I know a lot of y'all are doing this today, so if you have any questions, just let me know. The way this works is that's the eye, and that piece right there is called the spinalis. The spinalis, and that, to some people, is the very best. There it is, ready to go in the oven. Isn't that good looking? It's going into 500-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and I'll check it. And there she is, and we'll let her brown up real good. See how it's starting to crust up a little bit? And then we'll turn the heat down.